Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the 6th day of July 2015. And, wow, look at this weather. Look at that question mark. That's crazy, isn't it? That is cool. I'm going to save that for sure. That is so cool. So, anyways, got a big spot there, don't we? That looks pretty serious. All that looks pretty serious. Here's the dragon. One of the dragons over here on the South American side. Over here we got typhoons heading to China. Lunar South Pole patterns with Schrodinger. That's Schrodinger for sure. It's just what in the days when I first started doing this, that would look different than it does today. I don't know why they had to do that, but the way that they blend the colors or something throws it. It makes it difficult to use, but it's still that's still got to be usable. And with that spot especially, that spot will help you right there. It'll help you. So we'll just go ahead and save it and try it real quick. I should save this whole pattern because I know that goes with it. Oh man, I gotta just go for it now. That's good enough. We'll leave that one out for now. Okay. Yep, got into it with somebody on my. I just shared a picture of the lunar south pole pattern today, and somebody tried to clown me. Probably still trying. I don't know. Whatever. Some people know everything. I mean, I think I do sometimes, but I know I don't. But when I think I do, I don't. You know, I do hold back actually a lot of times. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm going to go to Google Earth. Look at that weather on here. How bad is that? And I'm telling you right now that this weather, before I started doing this on Google Earth, before I started doing these overlays, the weather on Google Earth was awesome. It was awesome. This is they started doing it like this. I take credit for it. I do, because I think it was because of the shit I was doing with the overlays. I'm almost positive of it. So, anyways, wow, that's garbage. I'm just gonna go ahead and overlay it over the lunar south pole, and that should be right here, and it's right here. See that spot? That's going to be like, I think it's going to be that spot right there, that one other spot beside it. Watch. I'm not doing here. Oops. Where is it? It's got to be made a lot smaller here. Hold on. Oh, and then that one's going to go out to that spot right there. Watch. This is going to be sweet. Oh, did you see that? See the blink? They do it within the blink of an eye. They save it. But look at that. Oh boy. Look at that. Okay. Reverse lunar south pole. Moon picture. Here's a reverse picture of the lunar south pole. Told you it was going to be that spot right there. Look at that. I know you're just asking, what about that one right there? Well, I'm sure they're a little off. Because that fits so perfect right there, you can see it. That is nice. Right here you can see something round right there in the cloud. Or you could. I'm trying to change it on me or something. And you're saying, what about all the other ones? Where are they at? Like this one, well, you see something there, but you don't see it, you know. But definitely, that spot is that spot. I've seen it many times. Definitely, that's beautiful. And it's a little bit, not much bigger than the one up here. See, it's a little bit bigger. Actually, it's not much bigger at all. You see this part, the purple part is all you're seeing right here. It's the same, look, you can see it right there, the little white part that comes out there, and then this, that's about the same size. Pretty close, maybe a little bigger here. That's only because I have this picture a little bit bigger on the Earth where the moon picture, but it's the size of the moon. It's just a little smaller than I'm showing it here. Has to be. How's it doing that? That side of the moon does not face the Earth right now. Or maybe it does. Hell, I don't know. Maybe it does. When it's in the daytime or something, I don't know. Maybe I just don't see it. Maybe we just don't see it. So that means right here, I could see, I build right here. If you watch my videos, you understand that already. But I could put it right here, and we can see where I could put the lunar south pole right here, and we can see exactly where it's showing. But you can already see it. Watch. Let me turn off the lunar south pole. You can already see it on the ocean floor, all by yourself. Right where that is. Look at the curve. See the curve? Ooh, what creates that curve? I think it could be possibly what I just showed you. That right there creates that curve in the ocean floor. And then you whip this, that's why it shows in China all the time. It must come from right here in this spot originally or something, and travels this direction, because this, look at it, it's spawning them off right here. This is from the same place. This is from the same crater on the moon. It'll align right here. Look at this. This is lunar south pole pattern, all of it right here. But it's on Google Earth, so it's garbage. So we go back to Wonder Maps and we look over here, and we can see. Whoa, that's beautiful. Watch this. Oh my God. That is just beautiful. Wait till you see what I do with that. That is gorgeous. Love that. Love it. I'm going to title it Love It. Alright. Let's get on that one right away. Go back to Google Earth. Bring back the lunar south pole. Oh man, you can already here. Let me just turn it this way because I think it's going to go this way. Right? I think. Hope so. Love it. See that? Linking the screen. Doing it still. You know I'm onto something. They don't like it when you're onto something because, watch, they're going to change it again if they see that I can still do it. I'm telling you, they're going to change it again. Watch. Mark my words. I can already tell they're going to do it. They don't want you to be able to do this at all. Not at all. Now it's just going to go inside the center of the Schrodinger. You don't see the whole circle because some of it's broken up, but watch. Let me turn it this way. I'm used to looking at it this way. I'm sorry. Well, it's there. I know you can see that. Here, maybe it goes a little bigger that way. A little more like that. Just make sure Schrodinger's still in there. Like this. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at this right here. See this area? Look at the weather there. Look at that blink. Okay, it's just a little off. Hold on, I get it. Goes right there. See this crater right here, it's got these peck marks in it. It's round. You can see that it's round and has a bunch of spots on it. That's this right here. It's not showing the whole thing, but that is that right there. I know. It's beautiful though. You see the curve? Look at the curve. Look at this point. See it come out to the point? You can see that right there. It's the same thing, I'm telling you. It's beautiful. That's nice. Very nice. It's just back here. I'll save it. That's that classic, like hornet shape or whatever I talked about before, or whatever you want to call it. Clearly there, people. Clearly. So there you go. Interesting. It's the perfect time of year for these patterns right here. Look at this way it goes up right here. Watch all that weather. See how it comes like through these two craters here. It's there. Nice. Would have been nicer if they wouldn't have changed the weather, but it's all right. We'll work with it. Something there. Close enough. Anyways, that's it. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it if you like it. If you don't, don't. Alright, have a good day.